So we're beginning of day 2 on our cruise on the Carnival Legend. And we're going to be taking a look at the Unicorn Cafe, which is their morning buffet for breakfast. All right, here's the omelet section. And these guys will custom make their omelet, and then they have a section with breakfast favorites from the grill. They got potatoes and grits and toast. At the deli section for breakfast, they turn it into another omelet station. So you take a look at all the things that you're going to put in your omelet, and they make a custom omelet. They got an area that they call the Continental Breakfast, which is essentially pastries. And they got croissants and pastries, and they got various yogurts and sauces and cream cheese. And then here's a section where you get cereal, Cheerios, Frosted Flakes, Cinnamon Toast, Lucky Charms, and Fruit Loops, and they got milk to go along with it. So at the morning breakfast, they also have the beverage station. The beverages, you can get apple juice, orange juice, some orange passion fruit guava, and of course, the most important thing, coffee. They also have a continental breakfast section right here where you got cheeses and meats, and they got some fruits, including grapefruit and melons, cantaloupe, honeydew, even some lettuce right here for breakfast if that's your thing. They got another section over here where you can get some yogurts. Plain blueberry, banana, strawberry yogurt. And they got some more milk over in this section right here. Right beyond the Unicorn Buffet is the adult-only section called Serenity. Right there is the Unicorn Buffet where you can come out. And then as you come out, they got this area where you can eat outdoors in this one section. So that's what we're going to do. Tammy and I found a table right here. And you got an omelet?
I did.
And you got some sausage and potatoes, and I got pretty much the same thing. I just added a croissant on mine. So I went back to the buffet to get a little bit more, and I got a yogurt, and I ended up putting some nuts, fruit, and raisins on it. So we're on day 2 aboard Carnival Legend, and we found the giant chessboard here. It's up above the pool decks. We got a pool deck right there, a pool deck over on the other side, and Tammy and I are gonna play some giant chess. So day 2 on the Carnival Legend, and we're gonna be playing some mini golf, which is on one of the upper decks here. So Tammy just putted, and I'm gonna putt now. There's my ball. And let's see how I do.
Ciao.
There we go, Tammy did better than me. So we're continuing to play mini golf. The mini golf stretches around the basketball court right here on the upper decks. It's pretty well themed. They got the fake grass, and they got some stone statues around the mini golf. There's even this glass overlook into the spa and the health club below. And Tammy's gonna take a shot on hole number 4 we're on. So hun, let's see what you got. Ooh. Oh, you're like in the sand trap. So Tammy and I got done playing mini golf, and you can tell by her dance that she won. She beat me by 1 stroke. So there's the hole. My ball in it. Good job, Miss Tammy.
Yeah.
So that was fun playing mini golf on a cruise ship. Yeah. Nice work, baby.
Thank you.
So we're on day 2 of our cruise aboard the Carnival Legend, and we're going to be going on the yellow slide. The yellow slide starts right up there. It's called the Twister, and it starts and it twists around, like that, and then does a one final twist in the opposite direction, and then you land right down there. I don't think I'm allowed to bring the camera on the slide, so we'll see how it goes. So now we're going to go on the green slide, which is called Green Thunder. And this is a drop slide. It drops down, and then you fly through like that, and you end over here. Here comes Tammy. She just dropped. There she is. Alright, now Tammy and I are going to go play in the little kid splash area. This is the splash zone. They got water jets that shoot out. They got a bucket that drops. They got these little slides right here. Tammy and I will go down. And then they got some sprayers over here to play with. So we're going to play around in here for a little while. All right, let's go down the racer slides. Let's race, mini racers. Ready? Let's go. On your mark, get set, go.
I won.
Yeah, you won. So on the afternoon of day 2 of our cruise on the Carnival Legend, we decided to just run into the buffet to get some lunch. And here's what Tammy got.
Yeah. I got beef with broccoli, some cheese, broccoli salad, marinated vegetables with fruit, some bacon, and some rice and peas.
Yeah, so I got something similar. I got the beef with broccoli right here. I got some rice. These are some jalapeno croquettes. I got some deli meats, and then I made myself a salad at the salad bar. And this is going to be our lunch today. So we're still on day 2 on our cruise on the Carnival Legend. We're in the adult only area. You can see they got a pool, got some lounge chairs, there's a bar, and they got some live music going as well. So we're just chilling out on our cruise, the Carnival Legend. We're at the Pizza Pirate, and if you come here at night, the line is like 20 to 25 people long. It goes here and goes around the corner and way over there. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the pizza now while there's nobody here, and we're going to save it for later on tonight, and we'll eat it cold when there's a big line here, and then we don't have to wait for it. So they got a little menu here, and these are the different pizzas you can get. Margarita, the fungi pepperoni, the 4 cheese prosciutto, and then you can get a Caesar salad as well. So Carnival lets each person bring 1 bottle of wine on board. So we packed a bottle of wine each. Right now we're drinking our Prosecco, Kirkland Signature from Costco. And we just got some cups at the buffet, and we're splitting it, and we're just gonna drink this by the pool while we listen to some music. Tonight we are going to the main dining room, Truffles dining room right here. So Truffles restaurant coming in. It's a very pretty restaurant. There are 2 layers to it. The upper layer is for the people who have anytime dining, which means that as long as you just tell them that you're coming ahead of time with your app, they will get you a seat if there's any available. And then there is a second layer down below, the bottom layer, which is for people that have set time dining. And you can see that other layer down below right here. These are all the people down here who have set time dining. And then the upper layer up here are the people that have the anytime dining that can just notify them ahead of time on their app. So this is Truffles Restaurant, and we're on the formal night of day 2 on the Carnival Legend. Hey, hon. And then for the appetizers, they have shrimp cocktail, blackened pork tart, fried oysters, cream of mushroom, meatball soup, baby spinach salad, and a Caesar salad. And then they have some entrees to choose from. They have the carbonara, striped bass, lobster tail, prime rib, root vegetables in a pie crust, and an Indian vegetarian dish. They also have grilled salmon, chicken breast, and a strip loin steak. For an additional charge, you can get surf and turf, filet mignon, strip loin steak, or lamb chops. They also have a sushi ship that you can get for two for $20, which has a arrangement of different types of sushi rolls. And then for dessert, they've got creme brulee, a coffee cream cake, melting chocolate cake, a tropical fruit plate, cheese plate, and a selection of ice creams. All right, so we're at the Truffles restaurant. They come around and give you some bread, and I would love to have a piece of bread. That sounds great. Thank you very much. Good. I'll try the other kind too, please. Yeah, each of those. That looks great. Thank you very much. So there's the bread and butter. So we're at the main dining room, and Tammy just got her oysters. And here's the fried oysters right here. I'm gonna cut one open.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Good.
And then, thank you so much.
This right here is
you.
the blackened pork tart with caramelized pineapple and a citrus cream. So that looks good as well. So we're at the Truffles dining room on the Carnival Legend, and Tammy got a Caesar salad.
Yeah.
Looks really good.
It does.
And then I got the spinach salad right here, which also looks delicious.
It does look good.
So we just got our main entree at Truffles dining room aboard the Carnival Legend, and Tammy got the carbonara, which we're going to share. We got a lobster tail, which we're going to share, and then we also got the striped bass, and I'll give Tammy a bite of that if she wants as well. So we got the striped bass, the lobster tail, and the carbonara. The main dining room, Truffles on the Carnival Legend for dessert at the main dining room, and Tammy got
Creme brulee.
And crack that open. There's the creme brulee with the sugary top, caramelized sugar on top. Looks really good. And then I got the coffee cream cake right here, which also looks great. So we're here at Truffles, the main dining room, and they just announced anniversaries, birthdays, and a Sweet 16. And they got this gentleman singing down below. So on cruise ships, it's kind of a thing to have artwork on board. You can bid on it and buy it. Tammy and I aren't really into buying the art, but we do like looking at it. It's fun to look at. That one is pretty. And here's one that has the 4 seasons. I see. It's got the summer, winter, spring, and fall. Some of them are really colorful and beautiful. They have some pop art type paintings. Some really colorful ones. But it's fun to look at the artwork and talk about what you like and what you don't like. So we're here on night 2 aboard the Carnival Legend, and we're getting ready to see the show at Follies Theater. Here's Follies Theater. Tonight's show is a Motown Motor City musical, which celebrates the R&B sounds from the 80s, 70s, and 60s with hit classics like Baby, I Need Your Lovin', Brick House, ABC, Respect. All right, so we're at the evening of day 2 on our cruise aboard the Celebrity Legend. We're going to be going to the comedy club, and the comedy club has comedies going, including Jeff Shaw, who we saw last night. And we are at the Firebird Lounge right here. And this is their comedy club. You're not allowed to record while the comedians are on, but you can get an idea of what it looks like. So this is the comedy club. And they call it Punchliner in the Firebird Lounge. So we're late at night, or late at night for us. We're in our hotel room and we're eating the pizza that we got earlier today. If you were to go up and get pizza right now, it would be a line of like 20-25 people, but we went when there was nobody there, and now we're enjoying some pizza in our room, and then we're gonna head to bed.